Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we point out some stories from the week you might have missed. Some are from us, some are from other people. Brian, why don't you start us off?
Okay, so this week I have a theme. It's self-driving technology vehicles. So self-driving technology company Coast Autonomous will work with St. Leo University, which is located in Florida, to develop a plan to implement autonomous vehicles onto the current campus, to augment different transportation options on the campus already. The deployment will include identifying routes and running simulations to determine the ideal fleet size and vehicles that could be used on campus for these type of operations. So that could include Coast Autonomous P1 shuttles and or self-driving golf carts.
You are obsessed with these things, so
Yes.
I am obsessed with air taxis. So in India, the India Institute of Technology in Kanpur announced two different air taxi concepts. They would be fixed wing, but would be able to take off and land vertically. And they're looking at them for both defense and commercial use, and they were planning to test some prototypes before too long, so they're joining the burgeoning fray of people wanting to avoid traffic.
Sounds good. On another college campus, downtown Greensboro, Inc. has given North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University $50,000 to develop two self-driving vehicles. The investment is expected to lead to more agile, flexible, and affordable transportation in the downtown Greensboro area, while also having better connections between the campus and the city.
Their traffic is not as bad as India's.
Yes.
The Navy has experimented using an unmanned surface vessel to help protect Navy ships at the port in Norfolk. So they tested that as using the Textron system CUSV, which stands for Common Unmanned Surface Vehicle, and the boat came up to a rogue ship, a pretend rogue ship, and used a loudspeaker to say, hey, get away, and then fired simulated shots to disable the vessel. And the company is reviewing the results, and if you want to learn more about this, you can talk to the company at Exponential, coming up in early May in Boston.
Sounds good. Last item for me. This weekend, Driverless Shuttle will give visitors a free ride around the Christchurch Botanic Garden. Shuttle is autonomous, electric, 3D printed, and can carry up to 15 passengers.
Sounds like a nice little garden stroll.
Yep.
For lazy people. Northrop Grumman is among several companies that are touting what sort of a overall command and control system for unmanned systems. Theirs is the Joint All-Domain Command and Control, which a company official describes as a battle manager on steroids. So it's kind of a one ring to rule them all. So that's what we have for you this week, and we look forward to seeing you next week.